Get ready for a truth bomb that will shatter your illusions about attracting women. Brace yourself, because after watching this video, your entire approach to women will never be the same again. It's time to wake up from your delusions. Do you find yourself envious of those guys who seem to effortlessly attract the attention of every woman they met? Do you look at other men and wonder what they have that you don't? While comparisons are never a good idea, there are concrete reasons why some guys find it easier to get noticed by women, while others struggle. Despite what you may believe, success in the dating world has little to do with physical appearance. Yes, some guys may be blessed with good looks, but plenty of average-looking men have great success with women who are considered way out of their league. The reason you can't seem to get any action is simple. You don't understand women. For centuries, men have been trying to crack the code of women, but the game has changed, and you are not keeping up. When it comes to women, the common phrase "a woman of her word" is rarely heard. This is not to say that women are inherently deceitful or untrustworthy. It's simply because their feminine nature operates differently from men. Women tend to listen to their emotions and feelings more than men. They pay attention to how something or someone makes them feel. They often rely on their gut feelings and intuition when making decisions, even if it goes against what may seem logical. This is why a woman's actions or reactions can be unpredictable sometimes, as they are often driven by emotional impulses rather than reason. It is important to understand that this is not a flaw, but rather a unique trait that sets women apart from men. Feminine energy is dynamic and constantly flowing. It is a force that seeks balance and harmony with masculine energy. The most feminine girls are drawn to the most masculine guys, and vice versa, because they complement each other perfectly. This is the lure of polarity in relationships. But beware, if you're a man who wants to attract a very feminine girl and you're acting very feminine yourself, you'll push her away like two magnets with the same polarity. To win her over, you must embody masculine energy, which means being strong, confident, and assertive. You need to be the opposite of her, the yin to her yang. When these two forces come together, it creates a powerful and dynamic connection that can withstand anything. So, if you want to attract a feminine girl, tap into your masculine energy, find the right balance, and ignite a magnetic attraction that she won't be able to resist. And here's another thing, guys. Putting your girl before everything else is not only a mistake, it's a sign of your lack of purpose and masculinity. Women want a man who's driven by a powerful mission, not some simpering lapdog who's obsessed with their every move. You think being a nice guy is cute? Think again. Women don't want a guy who's needy and approval-seeking. They want a guy who's confident, self-sufficient, and focused on his own growth. It's all about having a clear vision for your future. That means defining your goals and taking real steps to achieve them. No excuses. Women are drawn to men who have self-discipline and ambition, and who can show them what it looks like to truly go after what they want in life. Girls may not say it out loud, but deep down, they want you to prioritize your mission over them. If you really want to level up your game, you need to understand the fundamental nature of women. But remember, your mission comes first. Make it your top priority and let nothing distract you from achieving your goals. By now, I hope you are ready to unleash your true potential and rise to limitless. But hold up, before you go conquer the world, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss another video.